I got goosebumps. Who are you? Nobody can guess that I'm a...
Prithvish, you are Prithvish.
कैसे?
आपने कभी अपना नाम मुझे बताया था?
नहीं।
But I know, like, I know a lot of
क्या किया है क्या तुम्हें?
Okay, so let's try something with you, okay? So, do you know cards, by the way?
Yeah.
You know cards, right? So, what you have to do, before that, I want you to think of a card in your mind. Just think of it.
Okay.
Jan, now I know that you are feeling a little bit tensed, so just take a deep swallow. Just take a deep swallow. Now look at me. Now you have completely forgot how to swallow. Just try it, you cannot. Just try it, but you cannot swallow.
Yeah.
Right? Now look at me. Just look at me. Just look at me. Now, keep that feeling with you. And this time, if I ask you to say the name of your card, you will feel a little bit uncomfortable. But just try to say your name. Say the name of your card. Just try, but you cannot. Right? It is feeling a little bit awkward. You can try to say, but you cannot.
Yeah.
Correct? In fact, this you cannot say your name also.
Wait, whoa.
Just try to say your name right now, but you cannot. See? It's damn crazy, right? You cannot say your name.
Yeah.
Now, in a moment, just just let go all those imaginations. For the first time, what card you were thinking of?
Five of hearts.
5 of hearts, and that was your choice, right?
5 hearts. Yeah.
I haven't influenced you.
Yeah.
Correct? Yes. So, what I'm going to show you that in this entire deck of cards, okay, I hope you can see all the cards, right? Yes. So, in this entire deck of cards, there is only one card is facing this side. Okay? And this is
The blue one is facing backwards.
the 5 of hearts.
Whoa. Wow.
This is how it goes. Hope you enjoyed, right?
No.
Right? Which was the 7 of clubs, right? और ये सारे कार्ड्स आपके तरफ है, सिर्फ एक कार्ड को छोड़ के, ये वाला कार्ड छोड़ के.
Yes.
और आपका कार्ड कौन सा था? 7 of clubs.
7 of plus. Yes.
And you did it, bro. Oh.
How did you do that?
Now, if I ask you to just try to say the name of your card, you will feel uncomfortable. Just try to say the name of your card, but you cannot. Now look at me. What is the name of your card?
9.
9 of? 9 of what? 9 of diamond. 9 of diamond. And that was your choice. I haven't influenced you, right? So in this entire deck of cards, you won't believe that in this entire deck of cards, you can see all the cards, right? Properly. Except one card, which is facing this side.
Yes.
Only one card. And your card was
9 of diamond.
the 9 of diamond.
Why? My boss कैसे?
मुझे भी नहीं पता कैसे. I am just trying to figure it out कि ये कैसे होता है.
Can you do magic?
Yeah, I do a sort of magic tricks. Yeah. Would you like to see something?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I have a deck of cards. Do you know cards, by the way?
What?
Do you know the name of cards, by the way?
Heart?
You know the cards, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Name any one card you like. Name any one.
7 of hearts.
7 of hearts. Do you think that I have influenced that card in your mind?
No.
No, that was your choice, right?
Yes.
let me show you something. Like, you won't believe that, because in this entire deck of cards, okay, you can see all the cards, right? So in
Yes.
this entire deck of cards, there is only one card which is facing this side.
Okay.
Okay. By the way, what was your card?
7 of hearts.
And this is the card which was facing that side.
Dude, what? How did you do that?
Well, I'm just trying to figure it out that how I used to do this
Yo.
kind of.
Did you? Are you the guy from YouTube?
So your card
Yeah.
was the 6 of spades, and I haven't influenced you, right?
Uh-huh.
I haven't influenced you. Let me show you something really crazy. Like, you can see the cards, right? So in this entire deck of cards, I hope you can see all the cards here, except this one, which is facing that side.
Yeah. Uh-oh. What is it?
What was your card?
I think that's spades. No, what the fuck?
Sorry about that.
Oh, what?
These are
How? That looks so cool. What the hell?
By the way, we haven't met before, right? But I know something about you. Like, can you please
Don't say anything scary because I'm alone.
No, I'm not going to say anything scary.
Yeah.
Can you please think of your zodiac sign? Just think of it.
Yeah.
When I first saw you, I thought you were Aquarius,
Yeah.
and then I know that you are a true Sagittarius.
I got goosebumps. Who are you? Nobody can guess that I'm a Sagittarius. Do I seem like a Sagittarius? Did you hack my computer?
Let me try something with you. Like, do you know cards, by the way?
Yes, I do.
Yes. So I want you to think of a card in your mind right now. Just think of a card.
Yeah.
I know you are a little bit tense, so take a deep swallow. Take a deep swallow. Now look at me. Now you have just forgot how to swallow. Just try it. But you cannot, right? And you know what? Just keep that feeling in your mind. And if I ask you to name the card that is in your mind, you will feel uncomfortable. You cannot able to say the name of your card. Just try to say the name of your card, but you cannot. Just try it, but you cannot.
In my mind.
Right? Just try to say the name of your card, but you will get stuck. Right? You are just getting stuck.
Yeah.
Right now, what was the card you were thinking of?
Four of spades.
Four of spades, and that was your choice or that was my choice?
My choice.
That was your choice, right?
Yeah.
Let me show you something interesting, okay? So here I have a deck of cards, and I hope that you can see all the cards, right?
हाँ मैं सारे देख चुका.
Okay, so in this entire deck of cards, if I show you, there is one card is facing this side.
No way. No way.
What was the card you were thinking of?
Four of spades. How? कैसे किया तुमने?
मुझे भी नहीं पता, मैं भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ फिगर आउट करने के लिए कैसे होता है ये, बट इट हैपेंस.
एक और कर दो.
चलो एक और. Like we haven't met before. Do you know your zodiac sign? आपको अपना zodiac sign मालूम है? Okay, just think of it in your mind. Can you please spell it in your mind? अपने दिमाग में उसको spell कीजिए.
हाँ.
When I first saw you, I thought you were an Aries.
I am an Aries. कैसे?
Like this how it works.
कैसे किया तुमने?
चलो आपका नाम ही तो नहीं पता चला. Prithvish. You are Prithvish.
कैसे?
आपने कभी अपना नाम मुझे बताया था?
नहीं.
But I know, like I know a lot.
हैक किया है क्या तूने